Omar Farooq. Omar Farooq, please come here to present your speech, please. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Omar Farooq. Now I am going to tell about myself. I am Muhammad Omar Farooq. I am 14. Muhammad Abdullah is my father. Muhammad Amina is my mother. Hafiz Muhammad Tariq Hussain is my brother. We live at Longudu in Rakawati of Bangladesh. I am a student. My father is a businessman. My mother is an idol homemaker. My siblings are also a student and teacher. I am studying Karimul College Madrasa. My parents are graduate holders. My siblings are also madrasa level student and teacher. After complete my Hifzul Quran, I will go to Darul Uloom Deoband in India to complete Dawra Hadith in Arabic. Everybody has some hobbies. Similarly, I like some hobbies: gardening, reading books, playing indoor and outdoor, traveling, fishing, and so on. But my favorite hobby is reading Islamic books. I like some qualities like honesty, truthfulness, activeness, hardworking, politeness, punctuality, etc. I like mostly